All right, temperatures, they were milder for us today. Just take a look at your 24-hour temperature change as we are 16 degrees warmer in Marquette, 15 in Iron Mountain, and at 10 in Ironwood. But this is not going to be long-lived as we head into tomorrow. Expect more of that Arctic air to arrive, and we'll feel more of it as we head into the night. With northwesterly winds currently starting to come in around 10 to 20 miles per hour, so starting to feel a little more of that chillier air back off to the west, but still light snow. That will push south of the region as we go later on into tonight, and then tomorrow looks to be a partly cloudy day for us. But here's a closer look at the satellite and radar. Most of the heavier snow starting to push now down into lower Michigan for us, still having scattered light snow showers, and that will continue on for the next few hours. Here are a look at your current conditions at 23 degrees in Marquette, west-northwest winds at 18 miles per hour. Winds were so breezy during the afternoon over into Chippewa and Mackinac County, and they had a winter weather advisory in effect. And then also the Mackinac Bridge, that was closed down for a while, now reopened. So conditions are going to continue to improve for us as we head throughout the overnight. In terms of visibilities, it will still be chilly out there. 23 degrees in Marquette, and starting to see more of the lower 20s and the upper teens off to the west. At 14 degrees in Ontonagon, 12 already in Houghton, at 19 in Ironwood, and middle 20s in Florence, down in Menominee as well. For us off to the east, lower 20s in Munising at 23, 27 in Escanaba, and at 23 in Ishpeming. Winds, they are very strong. 28 miles per hour in Houghton, at 20 in Marquette, while at 10 in Escanaba. And temperatures across the state in 20s, and seeing more of the middle to low 20s as you go a little farther south in the state. But your current wind chills at 9 degrees in Marquette, 13 in Iron Mountain, so at least they're above zero. But as you'll notice right there along the Keweenaw Peninsula, starting to see more of that red show up. That is indicating that wind chills are currently either at or below zero. So that will begin to engulf the entire UP as we make our way throughout the remainder of the night. So get ready for it. Could even be looking out for wind chill advisories going into effect. Let's take a look now at our weather headlines. Another blast of Arctic air, sunny and frigid as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, but snow, it stays away for now. It looks like high pressure will take control. A very cold Arctic high, but it is going to keep the snow away for the time being, even as we head into the end of the work week. But here goes our setup. Area of low pressure continues to work its way off to the east. Arctic air starting to slip its way southward behind that, and as we go into Wednesday, expecting more of that Arctic air to be in place with a very chilly air, all across the Great Lakes. Your Futurecast model tonight, expecting mostly clear conditions at times. That will allow temps to drop closer to maybe the lower teens for overnight lows. Increase in clouds from here to there as we head into the afternoon on Wednesday, and then tomorrow night, yet again, a mostly clear evening for us with temps dropping to right around the same values that we will see tonight, although it looks like winds will die off for us, so won't be quite as breezy. So as we take a look at tonight, yes, dropping all the way down to 11 degrees below zero, mostly to partly cloudy northwest winds for us at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And as we head into Wednesday, much colder, but less windy. Northwest winds at 10 to 15, so none of the 20s like we are seeing currently right now. Wednesday's forecast at 0 degrees for your high in Lawrence, at 4 degrees in Ontonagon, 9 in Crystal Falls, and in the upper single digits also in Iron Mountain. We'll call for the upper single digits in Escanaba and barely get to 1 in Marquette. Your 7-day forecast, a cool and partly cloudy day for us on Wednesday, slightly warmer as we head into Thursday with mostly sunny conditions at 5 degrees, and then we'll continue to see that upward trend as we head into the end of the work week and going into the weekend as temps rebound back to the lower 20s by Saturday, and then we'll be looking out for another disturbance to come in closer to right around Sunday. So we'll be looking out for that. It does look to be just light snow for us for the time being, as it looks like a lot of the heavier moisture and a lot of the deep moisture will be farther off to our south into portions of maybe what it looks to be now into Illinois and Indiana. But we'll continue to keep you updated, and well, behind that, cooler air, but not quite Arctic air, only dropping down into the upper teens.